Today we're at the Sharon Temple for the Youth Democracy Conference in partnership with York Region District School Board and Pickering College.
We're at Pickering College today, closing up all of the work we've done in preparation for this conference.
We have decided on some guest speakers to include in our conference so that we can teach the participants about youth engagement into how they can contribute to the overall democracy in Canada.
We kind of introduced ourselves again since it's been a while since we last met. And then we worked on researching the speakers who are going to be hosting workshops at the conference. And we kind of just brainstormed questions that we wanted to ask them.
And we're starting to wrap up our preparations about Indigenous voices and helping create a future for Indigenous students.
They were developing an understanding of our workshops that are going to be hosted. There'll be 4 workshops in total with a few different knowledge keepers.
I'm hoping that the students and Indigenous students take away, come back with more confidence maybe to come forward and input their opinion into things that we're trying to decide, make change, because Indigenous perspective is really important.
Today we're at Sharon Temple in East Gwillimbury. We're at the Youth Democracy Conference and we're talking to a bunch of other students at other schools about what a democracy is and how we can participate in one.
Their focus was on wellness and resilience and how that can lead to better partnerships in terms of democracy and future leadership in the country.
I just finished a workshop with James Carpenter where he taught us a lot about the consequences of our actions. Definitely am going to be more considerate over what I do, and I'm going to take a lot of his teachings to heart in my everyday life.
We are responsible for the sound of everyone's heart. So we got to take care of each other. Each one of these strings is one of us. For the drum to really be sacred, the sound of it, if I cut one of these strings from the back of this drum, do you think it'll sound the same? It won't. So that's how we're all together.
We had a special person. Her name was Melissa Crystal, and what she did is she showed us how to create this cool charm. The beads, all individually, represent different things. So from what I've learned was that white was hope, yellow was bravery.
And the beads underneath are the colors of the medicine wheel, and we learned a bit about that and that significance in the Indigenous community.
We always feel separated from our differences, but the thing is with democracy, our differences make us stronger.
A lot of us brought up how it's important for us as youth to participate and not wait until we're older and when we can vote, that it's important that we act now and make sure that we use the time that we have so it's not wasted.
Within our communities, our responsibility and the responsibility of sharing knowledge is something to be proud of. It's something to be celebrate. It's something that brings communities together and people together.
This is extremely important because it provides the students a sense of active voice and learning self-advocacy. It provides them a chance to explore their own identity in a safe and welcoming environment and to learn youth leadership skills.
I want to meet a lot of my more Indigenous community and get involved with them and actually hear from them what they want to do and take in their opinions as well.
I would hope that there's meaningful partnerships between the students, that somewhere in these workshops they create partnerships and relationships that last beyond high school and hopefully create that change we hope to see in the future.